And in more stories, the National Biotechnology Development Agency and NNPC Energy Services Limited with RAHAD Industries have signed a tripartite memorandum of agreement with the aim of utilizing biotechnology tools in the recovery and remediation of oil-contaminated soil in Nigeria. According to the Director General of NABDA, Professor Abdullahi Mustafa, the landmark partnership seeks to revolutionize the way oil tank, farm cleaning, crude oil and paraffin recovery and remediation of oil-contaminated soil are approached, leveraging the power of biotechnology for sustainable solutions. The MOA was signed in a ceremony held at the headquarters of NABDA in Abuja on Thursday. Benedict Uku has more on this report.
The Tripartite agreement signed is expected to leverage the latest advancements in biotechnology to clean up oil tank farms, recover crude oil and paraffin, and break down hydrocarbons in oil-contaminated soil. At the signing ceremony today in Abuja, the Director General, NABDA, Professor Abdullahi Mustafa, said that by these agreements, Nigeria will harness the power of biotechnology to address critical challenges in the oil and gas industry and create a more sustainable economy for the nation.
The event today makes history as one of the stage for beginning of a long relationship on the utilization of biotechnology tools in oil tank farm cleaning, paraffin recovery, and remediation of oil-contaminated soil, among other services that this agreement set to provide. Indeed, your dedication and unwavering commitment to the cause of this agreement, which centers on the utilization of biotechnology tools to solve some perennial problems in Nigeria's up and downstream petroleum industry sector as part of the measures to enhance economic rejuvenation and environmental sustainability.
This tripartite agreement is that NABDA is the organization that is saddled with the responsibility of application of biotechnology in the country, and we have our researchers that have worked with RAHAD Global investment, and they are the one that will collaborate with to bring out this technology to table. And then the NNPC is the one that is going to see the implementation of this, being that they're the one that is that are the custodian of the tank farm, the oil exploration, and what have you. So that is why it's a tripartite agreement.
On the implementation processes, the Managing Director, NNPC Energy Services Limited, Sophia Mbakwe, noted that the collaboration will enable the oil and gas sector to leverage cutting-edge biotechnology tools for more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly solutions.
We recall that the MOU was anchored on the back of the MOU signed in 2022 between Nigeria and Morocco for the research and development of biotechnological products and processing. In the same vein, a tripartite MOU between NABDA and RAHAD and NSERV is designed to achieve the domestication, deployment and commercialization of biotechnical tools in the oil tank farm, cleaning crude oil, the paraffin recovery and remediation. So implementation is to ensure that that remediation, the clean of the tank farm is done properly according to the timelines that will be specified by the team, and that this is something that is continuous process, so that we can keep the environment safe and zero harm to persons, and of course to ensure that the soil is put back as it was before.
As a company that is specialized in environmental solutions, the CEO, RAHAD Global Investment Limited, Chihi Trees, expressed his confidence in the collaboration, stating that the research expertise of NABDA and the resources of NNPC Energy Services Limited will enable them to accelerate the deployment and commercialization of biotechnology systems.
we are happy to discover NABDA's excellent capacity and mandate on biotechnology, which gave our solution a real chance and which will therefore allow the first African oil powered in Nigeria to be the first country to reduce by nearly 970% the oil discharge that pollute soil and groundwaters, to be the first country to generalize the treatment of oil waste by non-polluting biotechnology on a national scale.
The event marked a historic moment in the Nigerian oil and gas sector as it brought together the expertise of 3 leading entities to address some of the most pressing challenges facing the industry. The Tripartite agreement signed is expected to leverage the latest advancements in biotechnology.